Upcoming big Bollywood movies that are in huge problem. As per the recent scenario, as Bollywood lovers are boycotting the movie of the nepotism's products of Bollywood, many movies are in great danger. Let us have a look at those movies whose future are uncertain and are in great danger currently. Coolie number 1. Directed by David Dhawan, this movie stars Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan as the lead pair, and both are nepotism products. As people are boycotting the movies of most of the star kids, the makers of the movie are much worried about its future. Radhe. Salman Khan has landed himself into a great trouble after the sudden demise of Sushant by banning him in Bollywood. Bollywood lovers are very much pissed off on him and want to boycott him, and this is why this movie is in great trouble. Khali Pili. This movie stars two nepotism products, Ananya Pandey and Ishan Khattar, in the lead, and as per talks, it will release on OTT platform. Still, the makers are worried if anyone would watch this movie, as people have badly targeted star kid Ananya for poor acting skill. Gangubai Kathiawadi. The director of the movie, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Alia Bhatt has faced a legal case after Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Alia's movies are already banned in Bihar. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has decided to shelve the movie and is also thinking of changing the lead. Heropanti 2. Another nepotism product, Tiger Shroff's upcoming movie, Heropanti 2 is the second film of the Heropanti series. The makers of the film have decided to shelve the movie, at least for now, as they may face huge loss if they release it now. Hawa Singh. Hawa Singh is the upcoming movie of Suraj Pancholi, and it was supposed to release in the year 2020. But as Suraj has landed himself again into trouble regarding Sushant's case, the makers want to delay the movie now. Shamshera. Ranveer Kapoor, Sanjay Dutt, Vani Kapoor, Ronnie Roy and many more stars are part of this action-adventure film. Ranveer and Sanju Baba both are nepotism products in the industry, which is why the makers are worried as they may face huge losses. Ruhi Afzana. This upcoming horror comedy stars Rajkumar Rao, Janhvi Kapoor in the lead and also has Varun Sharma as supporting character. Janhvi is a star kid and people have talked about her debut and bond with Karan Johar, which is why the makers are worried. Atrangi Re. Sara Ali Khan was casted along with Akshay Kumar and Dhanush in the upcoming movie Atrangi Re. After this debacle and boycott of star kids, the makers of the movie have decided to replace Sara with some other actress. Jersey. This movie also stars a star kid Shahid Kapoor in the lead role. This is a remake of popular South Indian movie of the same name. Though Shahid's name has not come up that much in the controversy, still the makers are little worried about its future. Time to Dance. Time to Dance is an upcoming movie of Suraj Pancholi, and the future of this movie is uncertain now because of Suraj's controversy. Will you watch these movies at theatres? Let us know your decision in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.